I spent most of my adult life single, and although I'm married now, I know how difficult it can be for people to make quality connections out in our world today. Because of my experience, my observations on those around me, and the stories from my own single friends and family members, I have come to a very succinct conclusion. Greetings! I'm Marcus Bridgewater, author of How to Grow, Nurture Your Garden, Nurture Yourself, and I'm also known as Garden Marcus on the internet. Many people are struggling to date because of what's happened to community in the last several decades. Community is super important, and we need to be conscious that we are who we grow with and who we grow around. We make our best connections when we grow together. We were community centered, and it was so much easier to make connections and to meet people with similar interests and similar ideas back when we lived in the village and the community was our focus. Without it, it's possible, but it takes a lot of work. When we know the people who are around us, we hold each other accountable and we are able to look out for each other. So if someone's talking to us, we can hold them accountable and make sure they are operating with decent behavior. Our modern age is isolated, and the same modern age is now having community contrast against itself. We aren't talking to each other, and that is further driving community apart. So now let's talk solutions. My idea is to rebuild community. That means more cookouts, block parties, holiday get-togethers, more opportunities for people to chat. Also, let's raise our standard for respect, dialogue, and understanding. When we do, we're going to get to know each other, and we're going to begin to encourage each other to be our best selves. I think friendship is the best way for us to find a great companion. If we work at being our best self and we encourage our friends to do the same, well, then the next thing we know, our companion is going to be top-notch, just like us. So, to sum this up, I know what it's like to be lonely. I know what it's like to be isolated. I know what it's like to spend a lot of time wandering this planet alone and then wondering whether or not you will find a companion. For everyone who is looking for a companion, I think that we really want to focus on creating a solid community. One that we can rely on and that can support us. Because through that, I feel like the agency and the magnetism of bringing like minds together is going to happen. And that's what's going to foster the relationship you're looking for. We should all foster communities, not just for companionship, but for high standard, for the sake of a quality mind, body, spirit, for promoting peace, balance, and harmony in all of our lives. And I think when we make that the priority, companionship is going to come naturally. Thanks for watching. Please check out How to Grow, Nurture Your Garden, Nurture Yourself. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time.